Well, stepping away from tomato ketchup and other unmentionable things to a more solid world of concrete. I'm joined by Mike Woof, the editor of World Highways. Concrete, and pretty important for your business, isn't it?
It certainly is. It's a very important sector. Concrete paving is a really competitive area of the road construction market.
So as we're here, let's see what Wirtgen has to offer.
This year we're presenting our brand new series, the SP80 series of paving equipment. It combines of three machines, which is the SP81, which is a large offset paver. We have the SP82, which is a two-track paver, primarily designed for the USA market. And we have the SP84, which is the, should we say, European standardized machine. The machines have primarily been designed for the target countries that they're intended for. The USA tends to use a higher slump, wetter concrete. They tend to prefer hydraulic vibration, which is great for the American market. The rest of the world tends to prefer drier, lower slump concrete, where we install electric vibrators on the machine, which actually suits the environment where they're intended for.
So that was the manufacturer from Europe, Wirtgen Group. The others, I think, are all American, aren't they?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, so yesterday we spent a bit of time talking about machine control. Is that something that's important for this sector of the industry?
Yeah, in concrete paving, machine control is extremely important. You need those machine control technologies to have a good quality finish for the concrete surface. And what's interesting is that now there's a lot more competition and customers have a lot more choice of systems they can choose from.
Gomaco is exhibiting the GHP 2800 mainline paver. We have a number of new features on it. The control system is the new Gomaco G+. We have the G+ Connect, which is a new feature that allows all optional items that are added to the paver to be connected through the computer system. I mean, Gomaco has been pioneering 3D for the last 14 years, and we've got the latest 3D technology from Leica and Topcon. Also on the 2800 is our GSI, which is a new technology of measuring the surface of the concrete coming out the back.
So some interesting developments there. Mike, you've been walking around the show this year. What have you seen, the new innovations as well, that have excited you here?
We're seeing the concrete paving people come up with a lot of options for increasing the versatility of the machines. If you look at the Gunter and Zimmerman machine, for example, you can reposition the leg on it so that you can change the mold, do different kinds of jobs, and it can be all adapted very quickly.
Okay, can we go and take a look at that?
Yeah, sounds good.
What we've brought to our exhibit booth this year is our newest paver model, which is called the S600. We have a couple demonstrations of two of those paving productivity functions. One is our AccuSteer and Smart Leg option, which you can see in the background here. And what that gives the contractor the ability to do from the operator's control panel, the ability to maneuver around the site very easily, almost a full circle rotation with the crawler tracks, the ability to easily transport the paver from one site to the other to get it on a tractor trailer, to move it across a narrow bridge very easily just by the automated functions of that swing leg swinging in and out, and also the rotation of the crawler track.
So Mike, amongst the important things you said, flexibility and mobility are key to this.
Yeah, that's correct. Smaller machines that are mobile and versatile. If you look at the Power Curbers machine, for example, it's extremely adaptable. It can be configured in many different ways. It can be offered, is available with a lot of different options. It can do a hell of a lot of different kinds of paving jobs.